I picture us rolling in a roach, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and in this video, ISEE Hair is sponsoring this video. They were kind enough to send me their Kinky curly bundle. They sent me two 20-inch and two 22-inch. And as you watch this entire video, I'm going to further explain why I transformed this hair, meaning why I permed this hair. So lay back and chill. Take your wine, get your notes out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. Hey guys, so this is the result that I got after relaxing the hair. So you want to remember that this hair was this texture before, and then now it's this texture. So this is something more manageable that I can work with, but this was definitely more tight and stuff like that. So I feel like my hair blends more with this type of texture. And what I'm going to do now is blow dry the hair. And then I'm going to sew everything on my hair. Okay, guys. So this is my hair blow dried. And right now I'm going to be like parting my hair for the sewing. And, I'm thinking right here, I don't want to go anywhere deeper, but yeah, so I guess I'll talk to you guys when I'm done braiding my hair. Hey guys, I am just threading my needle, and this is how I kind of close the end of my needle. So this is like the straight piece, the straight needle. Thread. I am threading my needles, and this is basically the straight thread. And then what I like to do is bend it to make it double like this. So I'm literally taking the end and then just like bending it a little bit. And then that's when I like do the knot, because when I used to do just the knot with one without doubling it, it would slip out, and I didn't like that. So I had to kind of make it a little bit more thicker so the needle doesn't go through my hair. And then with the extra piece that hangs out, I just cut it because we don't like stringy hair, right? I only have one needle, so this sewing is gonna take longer than it needs to, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try our best. And then my sections, so I guess like my leave out, this is basically my leave out. So I have left some hair out on my edges, and then some on right here, and then obviously my leave out part. And my leave out part looks like, it looked like I have a lot, but it's not. My hair is very thin. So yeah, I have an anchor braid. So my anchor braids are right here, this round spot, and then this spot. And then I kind of just braid everything and then put it into like a mesh net. Please excuse the back of my edges. I know it looks atrocious, okay? So yeah, this is basically my foundation. It's very flat, very secured, so this one is not gonna move. Anchor braid is not secured, then you won't have a long lasting sewing. So this is the hair that I permed. I was so scared to perm this. Hey guys, so I am officially done with sewing in the bundles and then, you know, blow drying it, and then I straighten it. This is how straightened I guess the bundles could be. And I also trimmed the ends just to, you know, get rid of all the split ends and everything. So I just want to remind y'all that this hair was this. So the reason why I relaxed it and I'm straightening it is because this isn't really my hair texture. My hair texture is a little bit more loose, and that's the reason why I permed it. And then, you know, as someone is like getting back on style and stuff, I want to have a hair that actually matches my real hair, you know, like getting a bone straight hair or bone straight body wave does not mimic my natural hair at all. Like my real hair gets really frizzy. So just in case my hair gets frizzy, I'm sure this hair would kind of get frizzy, but not frizzy in a bad way, but you know what I mean. It's kind of like having bone straight hair and then you have a natural hair, and then, you know, when you go outside and your hair gets frizzy and stuff like that, you have to keep straining your natural hair to blend it in while the hair is kind of straight in a way. I didn't want to do that, so I wanted to have a hair that's a little bit more textured and everything. So I'm really happy with the result. And honestly guys, I thought going in with the relaxer was gonna completely damage the hair. Like I had a little bit of faith, because if I didn't have faith I wouldn't even have done this at all. But then again, I was kind of doubting myself. Like I'm just like, I don't know how this is gonna look. Like feeling this texture, like it's kinky hair, like coarse, really kinky. So I was just kind of scared of how it was really gonna look. And this is basically the hair. So ISEE hair sent me 4 bundles, but I was only able to fit like 2.5. I am gonna try to see if I could fit some bundles in, because I really want this to be like really full. But I mean, if it doesn't, then that's okay. I don't know if I want to wear it straight, like a natural straight, or curl it. I might just do like a little body wave, so make it a little bit more natural. But yeah, so far this is the hair. I didn't, you know, do my leave out yet, so I'm gonna be back once everything is slayed and done with. Guys, so this is how the hair looks. The curls did fall, but I will check in with y'all tomorrow, because I'm gonna be doing my hair and I'm gonna be, you know, curling the hair and everything again, so you guys can really see like the full look. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, so today is another day and I have my ISEE hair kinky curly bundle that I permed, and I also came back with my makeup done so y'all could really see like the whole look and everything. So right now I just pinned up my leave out because I don't want to keep putting heat to it. So I'm just going to go back and curl some of the hair, but I don't want it to make it too curly, but I want it to have like some type of like wave. So I'm only gonna curl this side of my hair because I feel like that's where I need it the most. So you want to curl away from your face. And I also didn't layer my hair as well. So if you wanted to layer your hair, it's gonna make the hair more, I guess, more voluminous, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I don't want the hair to be too curly. I I wanted to have like some type of wave like that. So take my leave out. I'm just going to curl the ends because like I said, I don't want to keep putting heat towards my hair. I don't really need it, so yeah. So this is basically the hair. I really like it. So I guess with my review, because this is like a new type of thing that I did with my hair, like perming it. This was my first time perming any type of bundles. So what I did here, so I guess like with my review, the hair isn't silky straight, but then it's not like hard, you know what I'm saying? Like it's in the middle, and that's basically the type of texture that I wanted. I wanted my straight hair to have some type of like kinky texture to it, so that, you know, it could blend in with my natural hair. Our natural hair, we don't have white girl natural hair, so we don't have that silky type of look, you know. So I wanted something that could mimic my hair, and I love it, y'all. And it's very bouncy, it's not stiff. Y'all know the vibes. But yeah, y'all, so this is it with my video. Again, I want to thank ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. I will link everything down below so you guys can go purchase the kinky hair. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media like Instagram and TikTok. I will leave that all down below. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.